Shoot. Okay. This is my cat.
I'm going to try to keep the kitty cats out here.
Okay. I can't favorite. Okay. So she's else should be location strangers, but not like their new address is 1500. I'm just kidding. Okay, this is my cat favorite, the cat bear. My other cat lady gave her babies. My cat Geo. Oh God. Okay. It's my cat. Name's Geo. It's my cat over there, Chromosome. Meow. Then have no license. And have a fan. We have a cat. Have a bowl. It's a bat. Have their cat and their cat and Chromosome. Chromosome. Bear is my favorite. Geometric. Chromosome. Yeah, so I made my own little rhyme. Have some Geo. He's a good cat. Have Chromosome harassing lady. We have Elon or have some favorite and bear. We have a chair. Have an air cat. Have some water. Have some houses. Have an ant pile. Have where this is. A chair. Some more stuff. And an air house. And a flower. And their geometric cat. Wow. Juke me and do it. Tail 5 there. Have my kitty Chromosome. Have some of that. Some of that. It's just a house tour. Of course. Or my pajamas, because I really don't care. It's the weekend. It's Easter. No. It's close to Easter, I guess. Probably gonna be people searching for eggs. I bet those eggs are going to be scrambled all over the place. And then you might see some spots that are gonna crack you up. And I think I have a few more yolks up my sleeve. And I bet they're gonna put some eggs in a basket, which is not a joke. It's true. Here's some cats. Yeah, it's my house tour.